Hello everyone, my name is Pallavi M.A. and I am from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. My final year project title is Safety and Violation Detection using Machine Learning. My team members are myself from CSE Department, Sharda KC from ISE Department, Manoj HM from EC Department, Manish Kumar SL from EC Department, under the guidance of Chetan Sir, Assistant Professor, Department of ISE. Under this title, I am going to explain automatic pothole detection on roads using machine learning and IoT. These are the contents I am going to explain in this presentation. That is, introduction of the project, literature survey, objectives, methodology, results, conclusion and references. When it comes to introduction, it is one of the major problems in developing countries is maintenance of roads. Well-maintained roads contribute a major portion to the country's economy. Identification of pavement distress such as potholes not only helps drivers to avoid the accidents or vehicle damages but also helps authorities to maintain the roads. By discussing the previous pothole detection methods that have been developed and proposes a cost-effective solution to identify potholes on the roads using machine learning technology and autofill them with our robotic system. Potholes formed due to heavy rains and movement of heavy vehicles also become a major reason for traumatic accidents and loss of human lives. According to the survey reports, Road Accidents in India 2020 by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, a total of 1,42,485 people had lost their lives due to fatal road accidents. Of these, nearly 1.5% or nearly 2,200 fatalities were due to poor condition of roads. When it comes to literature survey, the first paper is an image processing approach to detect the lanes, potholes and recognize road signs in Indian roads in the year 2022. This paper is going to explain about road image analysis is very important aspect for automated driver support system. Real-time qualitative road data analysis is the cornerstone for any modern transport system. So far, most of the analysis is done manually and the use of image processing techniques for qualitative analysis is still at its early stages. Its pros are increased road safety, means this approach can help in detecting and alerting the drivers of hazards such as potholes, speed breakers and road signs, thus increasing road safety. Its cons are limited accuracy, means image processing algorithms may not always detect the road hazards and signs accurately, which can lead to false positives or false negatives. Second one is prediction and detection of potholes in urban roads. Machine learning and deep learning based image segmentation approaches published in the year 2022. This paper explains about the study aims to improve the accuracy of number of potholes prediction model by considering independent variables such as minimum temperature, relative humidity, precipitation and traffic volume. The model was established by conducting variable analysis. Its pros are accurate detection. This means the approach can detect potholes with high accuracy, providing early warning signs and allowing authorities to repair them in a timely manner, thus reducing accidents and vehicle damages. Its cons are technical expertise, means image processing requires technical expertise which can be a limitation in terms of implementation and maintenance. Third is pothole and object detection for an autonomous vehicles using YOLO, published in the year 2022. This paper explains about the computer vision and machine learning algorithms is the important tool for detecting objects in and around the environment. Its pros are speed, means YOLO is known for its real-time object detection capabilities and which means it can detect and classify objects in near real time. Its cons are limited resolution means YOLO may not be as accurate at detecting smaller objects at low resolution, which can be a limitation for detecting small pathholes. Fourth one is real-time machine learning based approach for pathhole detection, published in the year 2021. This paper explains about the study presents a comparative study of machine learning models for pathhole detection. Its pros are real-time detection means the real-time machine learning based approaches allows the pathhole to be detected as soon as they appear, helping to prevent accidents and reduce damages to the vehicles. Its cons are false positive means machine learning models can sometimes detect false positives which can result in unnecessary repairs or maintenance. Fifth one is a review on negative road anomaly detection methods, published in the year 2021. This paper explains about the aim of this review paper is to collaborate the existing technologies with a view to their relative strengths and limitations in order to improve the detection of negative surfaces. Its pros are can be conducted without specialized equipment, can identify a wide range of defects including those that may not be detected by automated methods. Its cons are highly subjective and dependent on the experience of the inspector, limited by factors such as weather, lighting and visibility, time consuming and expensive. Next, the objectives are to accurately detect the presence of pathholes in the road surfaces, to locate the pathholes within an image or sensor data, to classify the severity of detected pathholes, to predict the development of pathholes over time, to automate the detection and location of pathholes, to focus on repairing pathholes rather than searching for them, to easily identify the location of pathholes and prioritize repairs, to learn and implement the cost-effective solutions for the same. When it comes to methodology, the first step is collecting the data. To detect pathholes using the machine learning, we need to train our algorithms to recognize what a pathhole looks like. The first step is to collect data, which can be done by using a camera. Next step is data annotations. In this, once the data is collected, we need to label it. Labeling involves identifying the areas of images that contains pathholes and marking them. Next step is data pre-processing. In this, pre-processing involves preparing the data for machine learning algorithms by performing tasks such as resizing images, removing noise and normalizing pixel values. Training the model. The next step is to train the machine learning model using the annotated data. The CNN algorithm learns to recognize the pathholes by analyzing the labeled images and identifying the patterns. The next step is model evaluation. After training, the model needs to be evaluated to ensure that it is accurate and reliable. This can be done by testing the model on a set of images that were not used during the training and measuring its performance. Next step is deploying the model. This involves integrating the algorithm into a system that can be used by road maintenance authorities to detect pathholes and prioritize repairs. This diagram shows how the machine learning model is going to work. In this, the system will collect the data from the user. The system will analyze the collected data and the system will do the pre-processing and model building. The built model is evaluated and tested for accuracy. The user will finalize the model with best accuracy. The user will give new data to the system and the model will predict the results and display. The algorithm with best accuracy is finalized and the model will predict the percentage of path hole detection or not based on the user given new data from front end. The next part of the project is based on the IoT. This is the block diagram of robotic detector. In this, a robot is implemented for detecting and leveling of path hole. The robot will move wireless so that no need of human to go all the way to find the path holes. An ultrasonic sensor is placed to detect path holes on the roads. If the path hole is detected, then the robot will stop immediately and servo motor turns on to level the path hole. By this, we can level the path holes and accidents occurring due to path holes will reduce. The results of this project are the path hole detection using machine learning is a promising approach that has the potential to improve road safety and maintenance. By the hardware system, the authorities can fill the path hole automatically without spending much on labor cost. This approach can provide a more efficient and cost-effective way to detect and repair the path holes compared to traditional manual inspections. The conclusion of this project is the proposed idea will help to reduce accidents and make driving safe. It helps municipal administration to plan and maintain the roads in a good condition. The hardware model is cost effective, which is an added advantage. Path hole detection system shows great potential for improving road safety and maintenance, and it will be exciting to see how this technology develops in the future. These are the papers I have referred to make this presentation. Thank you.